lads and lovelies. Captain Edward von Arkham here, coming to you from on board the MHS Hysteria. I do apologize for the boisterous siren, but it's not exactly a normal day. Then again, is there such thing as a normal day on this ship? It started yesterday afternoon when Roman received a wire from his family in Ukraine. Not a nice place to be right now. As it happens, Rasputin's forces are moving towards Odessa. Roman decided that it's no longer safe for them in Ukraine, and he insisted on giving them aid. Bless! So he dropped him off outside Odessa yesterday afternoon, leaving us without an engineer for a week. A perfect time for the Hysteria to decide to start breaking down. Otherwise, what would be the point? Any which way and how, no sooner than an hour after we had dropped him off, the main engine started making a rather loud and unsettling noise. I went below deck to make sure everything was shipshape and found the engine room echoing with cacophony. I examined the main engine from top to bottom, looking for the origin, and wouldn't you know it, one of the exhaust filters had stopped working for no apparent reason. Now, I have had a wide and extensive experience with flight ether mechanics, but sadly I am not as savvy as Roman. But seeing as he isn't here, I will have to do. Now, the way the exhaust filters work is simple. They work as a segmented pathway for the exhaust created by the main engine to cycle. The exhaust passes through one filter, is purified to an extent, and continues through to the next, eventually being pumped back into the main engine feed as recycled fuel. However, if one of the filters breaks, the entire cycle goes bottoms up, and the exhaust can overload the engine, leading to a potential meltdown. Technology. I have been working on fixing this filter for half an hour now. I really should land the ship and switch the engine off. But we are currently flying over the dead smack center of the Black Sea. Nowhere to dock for miles. So best to fix this right quick. But I just can't seem to work out what's wrong with this infernal thing. I've been over it umpteen times and there's nothing out of place. No loose bolts. No holes in the filtering net. Everything is completely... Well, that would explain it, wouldn't it? Ah, and not a moment too soon. Well, I'm off to pop this bugger back in its place. Until next time, stay mad, my duckies. Oh, now what?